I have designed a controller for PC gamers, and in this video I am going to walk you through the creation process. But first, I want to explain why I think this controller is much better than playing with the keyboard and mouse alone. If you have ever played a shooter game on your PC, it is almost certain that you use WASD keys to control your character's movement. This input method worked incredibly well and served PC gamers great over the past 20 years. But let us take a quick look at how video games mechanics have evolved since 1996. In addition to conventional running in 4 directions, jumping, and crouching, modern video games offer a lot more movement options to navigate their virtual environment, such as sprinting, sliding, mantling, grappling, hurdling, and in games such as Fortnite, a whole new real-time building mechanics. So the point is, modern video games are times more sophisticated. Whoever masters these new mechanics wins the game. This keyboard joystick attachment that I designed solves the movement problem entirely. It allows one to move in any direction with only one thumb, freeing up 4 other fingers for other actions. In my opinion, it's a much more ergonomic solution, and with some practice could offer a serious competitive advantage. It certainly helped me to be able to do things I wasn't able to do before. This is what our keyboard controller consists of, and it has the thumbstick module parts, then the housing that holds it all together, the main body of the controller with a name at the bottom. So it goes together like this. And it has a palm rest because I don't have a breakout board. I've designed this insert. Let's solder these together real quick. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna test these to make sure that there's no bad dead zone in here. Let's check if the axes are correct. So this is supposed to be up, down, left, right. Perfect. I used this piece of PLA filament for 3D printing, and I use my soldering iron at the lowest temperature to melt it a little bit and secure these metal stamps. So basically I'm going to kind of like hot glue it with PLA to make it a much stronger joint. All right, this is not going anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to secure the PCB in place. I'm actually going to hold off gluing this because I made it round such that you can actually rotate it a little bit and determine where your forward is. Okay, I'm gonna do some testing and then come back, put the rest together. I spent a few days testing it, and in order to get the feel of it, I also attached these non-slip rubberish feet and also the magnets. So now it snaps really nicely. Gonna give it a little bit more testing. But yeah, overall it's a finished product.